Good morning, everybody. Today, let's take a look at this 2010 Mercedes Sprinter Custom Limousine. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Sprinter. Start up, show the engine, go over the performance details, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today I'm at Mercedes-Benz of South Charlotte, North Carolina. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. The front cabin has black leather upholstery. Perfect. Custom wood grain interior. Just have Sirius and XM satellite radio. DVD player, auxiliary, USB, iPod input. Climate control. Different zones. Lock and unlock. Here's your iPod input. Cup holder. It's your partition. This controls your power for everything in the rear. Flip that on, then you can fold the partition. Opens it up to the rear. You have storage space up above the visors. Everything's nice and padded. It's a manual driver's seat. Very soft seats. Nice quality leather. Power windows and mirrors. They're both automatic. Turn signal mirrors. Custom ground effects kit, front view camera, Brabus wheels with Pirelli tires, rear view camera. It's got a 3-liter diesel 6-cylinder. Alright, now let's check out the rear. Wide entranceway. Handle. Polk audio system. Everything is covered in leather and padded material. hop on inside. While I have all the blinds shut, I'll show you the interior lights. Just going to put the partition up. Overhead lights for the front, rear, accent lights, the bar lights, as well as your fiber optic board. Very nice. And that's the air vents that you hear up above there. You have your LCD monitors, your rear speakers, padding, all the windows are tinted, and you also have the fiber optics that change around the bar as well. This is your main command center. There's the air controls. Change the temperature. iPod adapter. Power outlet. Your AV input. This is your telephone to communicate with the driver. Call button. Probably can't hear that from back here. It's a very nice sound system.
So raise your glass. So raise your glass.
Very nice. This remote is the second command center, I guess you could say. Basically what this does is control all of your TV, DVD, media for the rear of the vehicle. You can control both the monitors, DirecTV, it's not actually hooked up at the moment, but you get the picture. I'm going to shut that off. And the rear TV. And your DVD player. But yeah, very simple to use. There's your rear camera. Pull all the shades back up. Yeah, I'm going to shut everything down. And see how it sounds. Not a bad sounding engine. Got the power off back there. And we'll shut it down. Doors fold out completely. And it's magnetized. It's a manual leather passenger seat. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Custom Limousine. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.